Namaste viewers, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna share you a simple and most important topic, that is these are the two clutch nut spanners. So when you are buying this clutch nut spanners, don't buy it alone. You also should buy this L handle or L rod. We also call it as socket handle. It also comes in L shape and T shape. So this is the heavy metal. The manufacturer of these heavy metal L rods or socket L rods are Eastman, Stanley and Taparia. So you see there is a square hole. So this is the half-inch hole. For this you need a half-inch L socket rod. Let me measure it and show it to you. You can see this is a half-inch measurement. So while buying the clutch nut spanners in the next time, so you also make sure you have ordered the L handle or L rod. And another thing is we can use it at both the tips. You can see the square shape is made at both the tips. Let me show you how to use it. If you see here, so it is fixed now. It has a balls, and this is the grip. It holds the clutch nut spanner. At one end you can use it, and also for the other end you can also use the other one according to the work. Or this is the most important information I wanted to share with all of you. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with the servicemen.